Hi guys, Lynette Zang, Chief Market Analyst here at ITM Trading, a full-service physical precious metals brokerage house. Well, there are a lot of things that happened over the weekend, okay? But the first thing I really want to talk about is what's happening with Bitcoin, because I know a lot of people are interested in that. Now, this is a quote from Jamie Dimon, and what does he say? Virtual currencies will be stopped, but he loves blockchain. So we've done work on that. We'll talk more about it. But remember, a central bank or a government will not allow competition for their money monopoly. So where they were bringing out an ETF on Bitcoin, guess what? Rejected. Not a big surprise. So we'll keep our eye on that one. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about really briefly is what's happening over in Greece, because I believe this is coming to a theater near you. And violence has erupted because of, they call it tax reform. What they're actually doing is taxing the farmers so much that they can't, they can't afford to grow the food to feed the Greek people. This is what happens when you have bankers that are in full control of your economy. This and many other things, but definitely keep your eye on this one. I think it's an important piece. I also wanted to bring up something that just happened last week. Now, back in 2014, the CME and Reuters took over reporting, so they're just intermediaries, of the silver market. But like the gold market, where there are a lot of owners, for every ounce of silver or every ounce of gold that's available for delivery, I believe that there is something big that's on the horizon, because they just took this over in 2014 and now their contract doesn't expire to 2019 and they're out. So we'll have to see what happens with that, but that is a super interesting development. Now, tomorrow we're going to be talking about the debt ceiling. And this was in the Wall Street Journal this morning. I hope you could see it, because goodness gracious, we need to make sure that the individual can take on a whole lot more debt. So the rating agencies are going to tweak to lift credit scores. And what they're actually going to do is they're going to remove tax lien and civil judgment data from consumers' reports. That, of course, will lift the credit scores and enable them to borrow more. Do you get this, people? This is craziness, okay? But leading up to it, since tomorrow we're going to talk about the debt ceiling, and I will not be using this graph in that discussion, but take a look at the debt ceiling, that black line. The red line is the debt, and this is the spot Wall Street's spot gold market, okay? So this cannot last forever. We have a whole lot of things that are happening this week in addition to Yellen raising interest rates, which I'm going to talk more about next week. Tomorrow I'm going to be talking about the debt ceiling. We have the Dutch elections. We have so many things that are happening right now that you need to be paying attention. And we're here to help you do that. So like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, and give us a call, 888-696-4653. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.